Everyone, today we're going to make crispy crunchy potatoes with herbs and a dip for it. So if you want to stick around and learn how to make those beautiful potatoes and the mayo Tabasco sauce for them, stay tuned because we're going to start now. Hey everyone, now after looking at the ingredients, let's start cook. So we're going to take a tray that the potatoes are going to bake inside. We're going to take the parchment paper, and the parchment paper should be bigger than the tray because we're going to cover it, and all the moisture that we have in the potatoes are going to steam the potatoes themselves inside. So we're going to cut the potatoes. Now when our potatoes are already cut, we will take one pickled garlic. We're going to crush it and slice it. Now we're going to use sunflower seed oil on the potatoes. We will take sage, cut it into smaller pieces, add it to the potatoes. We will take our dry thyme. You can use also a fresh one, and take the leaves. Now salt, pepper, and mix, and close it. And now we're going to take our foil string and tie it. Now these potatoes are going to go to the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And meantime, we're going to make the mayo and chop the fresh herbs for the potatoes at the end. So meantime we are waiting for the potatoes, let's start making the crumble and the mayo. And we're going to start with the crumble. And we're going to use a brown mixer, a hand blend mixer for the mayo, and the chopper for the crumbles from the Crotons. And I have this mixer for 2 years and I'm very satisfied. So if you want to check this brown mixer, in the description below it's there to the Amazon site where I bought it. So what we're going to do, take the croutons. You can buy also croutons with spices, so you can use just breadcrumbs, but I prefer to use whatever I have at home. Detach the hand blender. We will use it for the mayo, and attach it to the chopper and give it a couple of pulses. Detach, open, try it, and very crunchy, very nice. So this one we're going to use now for the mayo. We will need this one. We will need the cup, 1 egg yolk, lime. You can use vinegar, you can use lemon. I prefer lime to give it a little bit different, and we're going to use a little bit of zest on top. After that, squeeze the juice, very nice. 2 olives, 1 garlic, fermented, pepper, salt. We will attach the hand blender. We're going to blend it a little bit. So the olive we're going to crush, and we're going to add the oil. Here we have 50-50 soya oil and sunflower oil. I'm going to add a little bit, not everything. Add a little bit more. And everything else. We will detach the powder, take it out, taste it. I'm going to add more salt, another piece of lime, and a little bit water to make it a little bit looser because it's now really thick mayo. Detach, take it a little bit out. Now it's much nicer. Again, all the ingredients are at room temperature, so after you're going to put it in the fridge, it's going to thicken, and now it's perfect. Take a clean spoon, container, and pour it into the container. Now, before putting it into the fridge, we will take the Tabasco, shake it, very nice, careful when you open. Couple of dots, depending on how much spiciness you like, and mix it. So now we're going to take our lime, put it with the zester, take the basil, and we're going to cut the basil and the scallion. So come closer, take a look. Take the basil, cut it in the middle, bring it together, and slice. In this way, it will stay greener for a longer time. We'll take the scallions, take only the green stems, and slice. Same thing. Now it's time to check on our potatoes. And we're going to use a toothpick for it. Open the pomme papilote, and straight away you have all the smell and the different colors of the potatoes. So, in this moment, we're going to take the breadcrumbs, put it on top of the potatoes, and we're going to give it another 5 to 10 minutes just with the top grill on to give it a more crust on the top and to dry more the breadcrumbs. Then, before serving, we're going to add our greens. Now, the smell, amazing. So, in this moment, we're going to take the lime, put some of the zest, then the scallion and the basil, close it, tie it, so all the steam that's still coming from the potato going to bake all the herbs that we put and the lemon zest. And when the next time you're going to open it in front of your friends, all the smell going to go all over the table and everybody going to actually smell it. So now it's only time to enjoy. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because more of those recipes are coming up every week.